in the saddle and stay seated until your rocket vehicle comes to a complete stop. Then, skedaddle on out through the nearest exit. Thanks for flying the Golden Zephyr.
Welcome back, cars. For your safety, please remain seated with those seatbelts buckled. I will let you know when it is safe to exit, but for now, please remain seated with those seatbelts buckled. Almost there, but not quite yet. Please remain seated with those seatbelts buckled. It is now safe to exit.